Hello friends, this is Yogesh and welcome to my channel Hello Sahitya Lovers. Friends, today I am going to deal with the MCQs of Unit 3 from paper number 9, that is Literary Theory and Criticism. So let us start. The first question is Feminist Criticism. The options are is concerned with the marginalization of women in a patriarchal culture. B tries to explain how the subordination of women is reflected in or challenged by literary texts. C tries to examine the experiences of women from all races, classes, and cultures. D all of the above. The right answer is D all of the above. Question number 2. Who said that I only know that other people call me a feminist whenever I express sentiments that differentiate me from doormat or prostitute? The options are A. Alan Showalter, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Rebecca West, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is C. Rebecca West. Question number 3. Who wrote The Second Sex? The options are A. Alan Showalter, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Rebecca West, D. Simone de Beauvoir. And the right answer is D. Simone de Beauvoir. Question number 4. Who wrote A Vindication of the Rights of Women? The options are A. Alan Showalter, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Mary Wollstonecraft, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is C. Mary Wollstonecraft. Question number 5. Who wrote The Sexual Politics? The options are A. Alan Showalter, B. Kate Millett, C. Rebecca West, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is B. Kate Millett. Question number 6. Who wrote A Room of One's Own? The options are A. Alan Showalter, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Rebecca West, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is B. Virginia Woolf. Question number 7. Who has given the 4 models of differences in her book Feminist Criticism in the Wilderness? Options are Alan Showalter, Kate Millett, Rebecca West, Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is A. Alan Showalter. Question number 8. Aestheticism was originated in. Options are A. America, B. France, C. Germany, D. Britain. The right answer is B. France. Question number 9. The word aestheticism is derived from the Greek term. The options are aestheta, B. Axis, C. Aesthetic, D. Athletic. And the right answer is A. Aestheta. Question number 10. Aestheticism means. The options are A. Love of the nature, B. The love of moral values, C. Both A and B, D. The love of the beauty. The right answer is D. The love of the beauty. Question number 11. Aesthetics believes in the doctrine of. The options are art for God's sake, B. Art for art's sake, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is B. Art for art's sake. Question number 12. I art for I art means. Options are A. Art for God's sake, B. Art for art's sake, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is B. Art for art's sake. Question number 13. According to whom a work of art has nothing to do with moral effects? The options are A. Swinburne, B. James Whistler, C. Walter Pater, D. I.A. Richards. And the right answer is A. Swinburne. Question number 14. Who wrote the picture of Dorian Gray? The options are A. Swinburne, B. James Whistler, C. Walter Pater, D. Oscar Wilde. The right answer is D. Oscar Wilde. Question number 15. Who gave rise to Imagist movement? Options are T. Hume, B. T.S. Eliot, C. Ezra Pound, D. Walt Whitman. The right answer is A. T. Hume. Question number 16. a literary device that can be defined as poetry that is free from limitations of regular meter or rhythm and does not rhyme with fixed form known as. Options are A. Iambic, B. Classical poetry, C. Rhyming verse, D. Free verse. The right answer is D. Free verse. Question number 17. The father of realism in the spoken arts is. The options are A. Harold Pinter, B. G.B. Shaw, C. Henrik Ibsen, D. Galsworthy. The right answer is C. Henrik Ibsen. Question number 18. Who brought Celtic revival in literature? The options are A. British dramatist, B. Scottish dramatist, C. Irish dramatist, D. French dramatist. And the right answer is C. Irish dramatist. Question number 19. Who presented sex relationship in a prominent manner in his most of the novels? The options are A. Virginia Woolf, B. Conrad, C. James Joyce, D. D.H. Lawrence. The right answer is D. D.H. Lawrence. Question number 20. Who is the father of psychology? The options are A. Sigmund Freud, B. William James, C. Wilhelm Wundt, D. Karl Marx. The right answer is C. Wilhelm Wundt. Sigmund Freud is the father of psychoanalysis and William James is known as the father of psychology in America. Question number 20. Who used the stream of consciousness technique for the first time? Options are A. Virginia Woolf, B. James Joyce, C. William James, D. Henry James. And the right answer is C. William James. Question number 22. Who consider literature as a superstructure? Options are A. Structuralist, B. Post-structuralist, C. Marxist, D. Feminist. And the right answer is C. Marxist. Question number 23. Oedipus complex is the term given by. Options are A. William James, B. Virginia Woolf, C. D.H. Lawrence, D. Sigmund Freud. The right answer is D. Sigmund Freud. Question number 24. Who used the term structuralism first time? Options are A. Saussure, B. Derrida, C. Levi-Strauss, D. Roland Barthes. The right answer is C. Levi-Strauss. Question number 25. Who has given the term power and knowledge? Options are A. Saussure, B. Derrida, C. Michel Foucault, D. Roland Barthes. The right answer is C. Michel Foucault. Question number 26. Who wrote Course in General Linguistics? The options are A. Saussure, B. Derrida, C. Michel Foucault, D. Roland Barthes. The right answer is A. Saussure. Actually, Saussure delivered the lecture and the student of Saussure compiled the lecture in a book form that is known as a Course in General Linguistics. Question number 27. Who is famous for mysticism in his poetry? Options are A. Auden, B. Eliot, C. Ted Hughes, D. W.B. Yeats. The right answer is D. W.B. Yeats. Question number 28. Who is famous for sprung rhythm? Options are A. Auden, B. Eliot, C. G.M. Hopkins, D. W.B. Yeats. The right answer is C. G.M. Hopkins. Question number 29. Who has given the theory of construction? The options are A. Saussure, B. Derrida, C. Michel Foucault, D. Roland Barthes. The right answer is B. Derrida. Question number 30. Who is the writer of the essay The Symbolism of Poetry? The options are T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound, W.B. Yeats, Roland Barthes. The right answer is C. W.B. Yeats. Thank you so much.